Welcome to our video review of the Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 wired external USB keyboard. As technology continues to evolve, the keyboard remains as an essential tool for productivity and communication. The Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 keyboard is designed to deliver a comfortable typing experience with a durable build, making it an ideal choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. In this review, we will take an in-depth look at the features, performance, and overall value of this keyboard. Let's get started. The Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 keyboard boasts a minimalist and sleek design. The matte black finish is complemented by a simple and functional layout. The keys are spaced out evenly and have a slight curve, providing a comfortable typing experience. The keys are laser etched, ensuring that the labels won't fade over time. The keyboard is built with durability in mind, featuring a rubberized coating that can withstand daily wear and tear. It also has a spill-resistant design, making it ideal for busy workspaces. The Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 keyboard offers excellent performance for typing and gaming. The keys are tactile and responsive, providing a satisfying typing experience. The keyboard also features adjustable tilt legs, allowing you to find the perfect angle for typing. The keys have a travel distance of 2.5 mm, making them ideal for touch typists. The keyboard also has a USB 2.0 interface, ensuring that it can be used with most computers without any compatibility issue. One of the standout features of the Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 keyboard is its 3-level keyboard tilt adjustment. This allows you to adjust the keyboard's angle to match your typing style, reducing strains on your wrist and hands. The keyboard also has 6 multimedia keys, making it easy to control your media playback without having to use your mouse. The keys are also programmable, allowing you to customize the keyboard to your specific needs. The Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 keyboard is compatible with most Windows and Linux operating systems. It can be used with desktops, laptops, and workstations. The keyboard also supports Microsoft Windows shortcut keys, making it easy to access commonly used functions such as cut, copy, and paste. The keyboard is plug and play, meaning you can start using it right out of the box without any additional software or drivers. The Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 keyboard is priced competitively, making it a great value for its features and performance. It offers a comfortable and durable typing experience with programmable keys and multimedia controls. It is also compatible with most computers and operating systems, making it a versatile choice for both home and office use. Overall, the Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 wired external USB keyboard is a high-quality keyboard that offers excellent performance, durability, and value. Its minimalist and sleek design, adjustable tilt legs, and multimedia keys make it a versatile choice for both work and play. Thank you for watching our review, and we hope this has been helpful in your search for a new keyboard.